So let's say that I'm thinking to develop an idea which solves a problem for a certain customer segment. And we know that actually the power of the ideas is very, very related and associated and correlated with its capacity for solving a problem. Now, let me just give you an example, put you in the loop. If you go into a platform such as Amazon or Alibaba, where you actually have thousands, hundreds of thousands, or even millions of products, actually, your capacity as an entrepreneur for analyzing data regarding those products, their prices, their characteristics, their niches, their designs, their unique characteristics, it's very limited as a person because your brain is limited by its capacity for data processing. Okay, so here comes the role of AI, and what it can do is really amazing. Think about this. I'll give you a straightforward approach for actually doing this. So I'm focused on a certain country, say whatever, like the UK, France, Germany, the UAE, Morocco, Spain, whatever country, even China. So I take that country, or even like a certain region of that country, and I want to do like very pertinent, detailed market research on that market. So what I would do, I would actually go into the main platforms, e-commerce platforms in that market, and I would try to analyze the products which are the most successful, the most wished, and the most desirable by the customers in those markets. There are different features for doing this, but if on Amazon, for instance, there's one option called the wished for products or the best sellers. Now, what I would do is that I would just like collect the wished for products and the bestseller for products for Amazon within a certain country, say within the UAE or within like the region of the Emirates of Dubai. And then I will collect that information over 2 weeks. And then I will just give it to my GPT, my own AI agent, who I have trained actually to analyze this specific type of data, and it will tell me which ones are the most promising bestsellers and the most promising wished for products. And now you can see the scale at which you can do these kind of things. I mean, obviously, you cannot do this by yourself as an entrepreneur, and also given that you have very limited human capabilities. I mean, human capital capabilities that you're not hiring a lot of people because you're an entrepreneur. And remember that you want to test different business ideas with the most cost, basically. So you're employing the capabilities of the AI, and you're compensating and overcoming your limited data processing capabilities to actually build this very pertinent research analysis and research market. Actually, nobody could have ever done this kind of market research in the past. Now, using the AI, just yourself, one person in the team, you can totally do this. And imagine if you can do this over time, over 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, 6 months, 1 year, 2 years. Imagine the kind of market intelligence that you will be. That's exactly what we refer to by market intelligence. That's what I would call market intelligence. Imagine the kind of understanding of the market that you would achieve if you apply this. I gave you just 2 examples, the wished for products and the best sellers, but there are many other features, and all you have to do is just like collect this data, supply it to the algorithm, supply it to the AI, train it to analyze it, and here you go. It's really for you. Those are the products you have to focus on, and from those, you will see that they solve the problems of that specific market, and they will be extremely highly probable to succeed in that market.